Tired of being stuck with the wrong language on your PS5, making it impossible to navigate? This video shows you exactly how to change your PS5 language, step by step. Hey everyone, it's Anna from For Real. If you've ever felt completely lost trying to find a simple setting because your console is in a language you don't understand, you're definitely in the right place. It can be super frustrating, but it doesn't have to be. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to switch your console's language to whatever you need it to be. As an avid gamer here at For Real, I know how important it is for your setup to be perfect. So, let's get this sorted out. Okay, first things first. From your PS5's main home screen, you need to look for the settings icon. It's the little gear symbol located at the top right corner of the screen. Navigate up and over to it, and press X to select it. Once you're inside the settings menu, you'll see a long list of options. Don't get overwhelmed. We're looking for System. You'll need to scroll down the list. It's usually near the bottom, just above Storage. Once you find it, press X. Now we're in the System menu. On the left side, you'll see a new list. The option we need is Language. It's typically the fourth one down. Highlight it, and you'll see the options appear on the right side of the screen. On the right, you'll see Console Language at the very top. This is the one that changes the language for all the menus and system text. This is the key to perfect your PS5 console setup. Select it by pressing X. And here we are. A big list of all the available languages. Just scroll through until you find the one you want. Once you've highlighted it, press X to confirm. Your PlayStation 5 language settings will update instantly. Quick pause. If this has already solved your problem, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the For Real channel grow and helps others find this guide. Okay, let's keep going. You might wonder why you'd change your language. Well, maybe you bought your console from another country. Or here's a cool tip. You can use it for language immersion. Setting your console to a language you're learning forces you to practice. Also, some gamers find that certain games have better voice acting in their native language, so they switch it to get a more authentic experience. Here's a fun fact. Did you know the PlayStation controller symbols have official meanings? In Japan, the O circle button traditionally meant yes or confirm, and X meant no or cancel, the opposite of how it's used in the West. This is because O or maru is a symbol for correct, while X or batsu means incorrect. Here's a pro tip that trips a lot of people up. Right below console language, you'll see input language. This doesn't change your system menus. It changes the layout of your on-screen keyboard for typing messages. If you want to type in a different language or use special characters, this is where you go. You can even set up multiple keyboard layouts and switch between them easily. It's a small but important part of the PlayStation 5 language settings. Okay, what if you're stuck? Let's say you accidentally set your PS5 to a language you can't read at all. Don't panic. Just follow the icons. Remember the sequence: gear icon, then scroll down to the icon that looks like a toolbox for system. From there, count down 4 items to language, then select the first option at the top. You can navigate visually without reading a single word. Also, keep in mind that changing the console language won't always change the language inside a game. Many games have their own language settings in their internal options menu. So if your game is still in English, check the game's settings first. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to change your PS5's language, what the difference is between console and input language, and even how to fix it if you get stuck. No more being lost in translation. You are in full control of your console. If you found this tutorial useful and want more PS5 tips and tricks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for the For Real channel. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped, and let me know in the comments. What other PS5 feature is confusing you? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.